Welcome to Learn English, Love English. Today's story is the adventures of Charlie the squirrel. Once in an ancient forest lived a curious squirrel named Charlie. Charlie loved exploring the woods and discovering new things. One early morning, as dawn's first light filtered through the dense canopy, Charlie set off on another adventure. The forest floor rustled beneath his tiny paws. The crisp autumn air was filled with the crackle of dry leaves and twigs. Suddenly, a distant thunder rumbled through the sky, signaling an approaching storm. Charlie paused and looked up, scanning the darkening clouds. He knew he needed to find shelter soon as raindrops began to fall. As the rain intensified, Charlie dashed towards an old oak tree with a hollowed-out trunk. Inside, he found a cozy nook to wait out the storm. The rain outside grew heavier, creating a soothing patter against the leaves and forest floor. Inside his shelter, Charlie listened to the forest come alive with the sounds of the storm. As the storm raged on, Charlie felt a sense of peace. Hours passed, and eventually the storm began to subside, leaving the forest fresh and vibrant. With a renewed sense of wonder, Charlie continued his exploration. The forest, with its rich tapestry of sounds, was his home, and every adventure was filled with nature's harmonious symphony. Join us at Learn English, Love English, and unlock your full potential today.